So I'm with Finn down the flying field, and we've got a new RC airplane sent to us by Banggood. This is the Sky Challenger Swift 1. Do you want to tell us about it, Finn?
So it's a 3D, hopefully a 3D capable profile plane. It took around 15 minutes to assemble. It comes with everything in the box apart from batteries for the remote and glue. And we used Yoo-Hoo And yeah, it comes with a remote, battery, everything you need to get flying.
And the charge lead for the battery as well.
Yeah.
Okay. Does it have any special features? Does it have a gyro or anything like that?
Yeah, so it has a gyro, it has 3 modes, so it has one that I've never seen. So it has normal, like a normal 3D mode, a gyro mode so it can't roll upside down.
Like a trainer mode?
Yeah. And also a prop hang mode or a vertical mode, so pretty much it keeps it up at an angle. So it just prop hangs, it's really cool.
Oh, right, so it will hold it vertically and you just control the power to hold it there?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's pretty cool.
That'll make you look good as a pilot, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
You can't do that type of thing by yourself. All right, let's look at the spec on the box for folks who are interested. So you got the wingspan there. It's only half a metre wingspan. Gives you the motor spec, ESC spec, and the servos that are in it and everything else. So I don't think we should hang around. Let's just get it in the sky, Finn. Let's see how it goes.
Indeed.
Right, we ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're just showing how we're plugging it in. So you just take off that little front canopy.
Yeah, little cover, it's got a little round hook there. It's quite a strong catch, so it shouldn't come off. Just double checking the wires, because make sure we connect it all up the right way. Okay, battery neatly goes in there.
All right, there's nowhere else it can go, so we know the CG is going to be right. It's designed to have that size
Yep.
battery in at that location.
Literally put it in and then just a little bit of pressure on the back.
And then Finn has already turned on the transmitter. And you go through a binding procedure, do you?
Yeah, full power but no power again. And that gives you full control, the gyro, so you can put it on all the modes.
Okay, so it's the normal sticks, is it, Finn, and trims, and then you've got the 3-position switch. Is there anything else that we need to be aware of on that transmitter?
There is
a rates button here, so if you want high rates, you just press that.
And it goes between 2 modes, I assume, low and high rate.
Yeah.
Alrighty, all good. All right, so the wheels are probably a bit small to take off grass, so we're going to do a hand launch, Trevor.
Yep.
All right, let's give that a go.
You're trimming it.
Are you happy, Finn?
Okay, so you want to keep it quite close because it's a small plane. I'm sure Don wants.
Okay, the hand launch. Let me just turn it off. I'm all good.
You good?
All good, yeah.
Okay, when you're ready, Finn.
Right, so just some gentle circuits within the strip to start off with, Finn, before you start your wild aerobatics.
That's good.
So what mode are you in, Finn?
I'm in stabilised at the moment.
Stabilised. So this will not let you roll inverted, is that right?
Yeah.
So this is good for beginners.
It kind of does rudder turns, so that's quite nice. Keeps it nice and level.
Fantastic. Maybe do a figure 8, turn left and come the other way. Or keep turning right. You're the pilot.
I know my left and right, but it's not amazing.
Bit lower.
Then I might switch to 3D or a sec. So still in 6G
6G mode. All right. All right. So you've got full control. So again, you could come a little bit closer, Finn.
Then I'm going to try the prop hang mode in a sec.
All right.
Okay, so you can pop hang it from the Don then.
I might stand a little closer.
Yeah. stand next to Dom, I think it should be alright.
Let's bring it in and bring it in prop hang mode. That should keep it up vertically.
That's prop hang mode, is it?
Yeah, vertical.
Oh wow, but you've still got aileron control.
Yeah, so I still have all my controls so I can steer it round. It keeps it up vertically.
Yeah, so it's controlling the rudder and the elevator.
Yeah.
Alright, come on, I need it lower than that. I need it in front of me, Finn. Maybe you need to fly out in regular mode first.
That's close, but
Come on, I saw you doing this in the garden the other day and it was right in front of you. That's what I want. Down here, Finn. So you can see the elevator and the rudder working away, and that's not Finn doing that, that's the stabilisation system. And then back into 6G mode.
it's a lot of fun just for like a beginner if you want to get into the hobby.
Yeah, it's very good.
If you want to do acrobatics, I'd recommend it. It's a good first one. You could easily fly some cars and stuff.
Right, got a low flying aircraft over. He's way lower than 400 feet. Haven't seen you do a loop yet.
Oh, okay. I think you can do a loop and stabilise.
Try it.
Oh, that's not stabilised. Oh my god. There we go. Don't think it likes a lot of speed and stabilise.
No, and you can't control the gain.
Let's try a loop and stabilise. Oh, it can do a loop and stabilise, but just kind of does so.
You keep calling them different things. So are we talking 6G mode or
6G, yeah.
it calls? So let's call it 6G mode, so as not to confuse our viewers.
So a 6G mode, there we go, got it right. It can kind of loop, but it does sound pretty weird at the top because it's upside down.
Okay. All right. I think we should bring it in for a landing now. I think we've demonstrated everything.
Landing.
Good for a first video. And a Harrier landing.
Yes.
Nice. Let's go and pick it up. Let's go and talk about it on the bench. Right, here, so here we are back on the bench, and show me that mode switch again, Finn. What does it say on there?
So it says 3D, 6G and vertical mode. So it has, yeah, 3 modes.
3D mode is the gyro is off. Yes.
Yes,
6G it's on, and it doesn't let you to roll to inverted or loop to inverted. And vertical mode keeps it in that
In a hover.
vertical attitude.
Yeah,
Brilliant.
it's pretty cool.
It's quite unique. We've not had anything to flight test that actually has that vertical mode. I've seen separate gyro products have it, but not in a plane that you get already. So Finn, thanks very much for the demonstration.
Yeah,
Very
thank
well
you.
done. And this is the Sky Challenger Swift 1. We'll put the link for this in the video description and a pinned comment so you can look up the price if you'd like to give this a go. I think this would be great for it's great for outdoors, but probably small enough and good enough for indoors as well, Finn, right?
Yeah, I reckon one day we're going to have to try that.
Yeah, we'll definitely try that when the weather gets worse again, autumn, winter, we'll do that. So thanks for watching everybody. Finn, thanks again.
Yeah, thank you.
And bye everybody. See you soon.
Adios.
Adios.